Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today I'll be talking about the sad truth of Destiny 2 PvP. So obviously seen by the title, I literally got kicked and DDosed mid-game. So you're probably saying, okay, are you sure your internet didn't go out? And yes, I'm 100% sure my internet didn't go out. I did end up having to go back and to my Wi-Fi so that all my other systems were working, like my PC and everything like that. But I had to go and reset my Wi-Fi after this. I didn't know what was going on. But essentially, I was tearing up the game. I was doing really good, getting over at least a 3 KDR in every single game. And this was like the third time I've matched with these guys, like this exact same team, because, the games are like 40 points off. So, usually when they do that, they add you to like the same game. So I'll be showing you guys the full game of the game I got DDosed in. It's not a super long game, but you can tell I do really well, and that's obviously why I get kicked by one of these guys. So I don't know who it was. If you have any ideas, feel free to tell me. But obviously something happened here, and they got my IP after however much games, and I got kicked essentially. But just watch the game. Everything seems fine up until that ending spot. So yeah, enjoy the video. Yeah, and if you like the video, feel free to obviously like the video, and if you didn't, feel free to dislike it. And if you like this kind of content, I post every single day, so feel free to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Whoa! Where did you come from? Where the heck did this guy come from? He just appeared behind me, dude. Oh my gosh, is this guy still camping in the back of the map, dude?
I don't even know I'm using chaperone.
Oh my god, why did I even try to do that, dude? Why did I try? Guys, I got a question. Why the heck did I even try to decide to rush a auto rifle?
Dang it, I couldn't kill the warlock. So my knife goes to in the head, supposed to kill them instantly. It is, because it explodes. Dang it, there's somebody in here that would have walked it. Get out.
I'm going for B with you.
They were AFK. I had to. They were AFK.
Zone B captured. You
I got
have
super.
advantage.
There was somebody that was AFK and I killed them headshot.
You've gained the lead.
Watch out, get back.
I kind of feel bad for that I did that, Tanner. I shot the one that I could have. If I would have had a grenade, I would have. Yes.
Oh my god, dude. I just got one hit by Bastion from 50 yards away. Dude, that thing's crazy powerful. He just shot me at 2 million years away, dude.
There's somebody AFK on the other team.
He just shot me from Mars, bro.
Damn it. Got him.
Hey, we came back, dude. Well, we're winning right now. Yeah, get this heavy, get this heavy, get this heavy.
I love it.
Why are you using a sword?
What? I don't know, because I thought he was in that corner. Because I don't know, because it's my best. Have they even tried to take A?
Oh my, dude, Bastion takes no aim. He shot me in my toe and I died, dude.
Yay!
Dude, Bastion literally takes zero aim.
I got a grenade kill and it didn't give me anything.
pulling ahead.
I just got 2.
Keep it that way.
Hunter ones, yeah, I think it's because of the, You better get a kill.
Zone B lost.
I got punched from behind. That was lost up at one point.
Somebody just caught us thing or so.
Yeah.
Oh my, dude, I'm tired of Bastion, dude. What the heck is wrong with... Why would... Dude, they must have buffed the crap out of that thing, dude.
Get out of my
It thing
game.
destroys your
Zone B
shields.
captured. Zone advantage is yours. Only 5 minutes left.
Okay, thank you for killing that guy, because he is annoying, that bastard.
You're thanking somebody that's not on our party, Janice.
And...
Ha ha! Hackers.
Alright, let's go.
Like, fight one?
Where is he, dude? Oh no, they turned off my Wi-Fi. See, guys, I just got DDosed. This is a problem with console. I just got DDosed.